Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome to my channel, and do not forget to click that subscribe button before leaving. And if you're an old subscriber, I just want to say thank you for always coming back to my videos. It means a lot to me. Okay, before we move to the topic of the day, guys, how do you like my new foundation? It's actually a new foundation. Do you think I should do a review on it? I'm actually loving it. Maybe I will do a review on it. Okay guys, back to the topic of the day. Yes, it is about YouTube DIY skincare videos. Yeah. I know people will be wondering, why is she going to talk about this? She does DIYs a lot on her channel. Yeah, not a lot, but yes, I do have some few DIYs on my channel. And guys, like I said, before I bring any DIY to my channel, I always try to do a patch test and make sure I've tried it or I research that it is not harmful before putting it out on my channel. Or even if it is something I want to try for the first time, I bring it on my channel and I ask you guys for your verdict. So that is it. Guys, when I just started YouTube, I did a DIY which I didn't do a research on. I didn't do a patch test, nothing, and I went straight into it and it gave me irritation on my face for that matter. So darlings, why am I doing this video? It's just to bring awareness to those who want to try stuff, especially these YouTube DIYs, without doing a patch test first. It is very essential that you do a patch test before trying any natural home remedy DIY. Yes, this was the DIY I did. It was with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Yes, imagine those two things coming together. You know, apple cider is kind of strong already, even baking soda. So imagine mixing those two stuff together and applying it on your face. Well, from the videos I watched and some reviews, it didn't affect some people negatively. It was okay for them. As for me, it affected me. So ever since then, I'm very skeptical about whatever I put on my skin, especially on my face. So like I said, this particular DIY that gave me a bad experience was apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Yes, when I was about doing this DIY, hubby saw me and told me, why am I going to use these two products on my face that both of them are already strong enough? Apple cider vinegar contains acidic stuff thereabout, and baking soda contains alkaline. I don't know how he really put it, but he broke it down to me. But I was still adamant, and I told him that I'm a black guy, I have black skin, things hardly get to us. Don't worry, I will be fine. I'm over. I've seen reviews that it's okay, it didn't do anything to people. And he told me it is not good, that I should stop. But I was very stubborn about it. I went ahead and I did it. Guys, just barely 3 minutes of applying this stuff on my face, I started feeling itchy. Yes, it was so pepperish that I ran to the bathroom to wash it off. And after washing it off, my face felt kind of stiff and, is it wrinkled? Is that the right word? I don't know. As in, it was peppery. I wasn't comfortable at all, and I started regretting. And you know the usual talk, I told you so, I told you so. Well, the only thing that could suit that wrinkle and burnt, because yes, there was a bit of burnt, but it wasn't that serious, but still it affected my face, was almond oil that hubby got me. I started applying almond oil and it took 2 days for my face to come back to normal. So ever since then, I've been very skeptical about whatever I put on my face. I usually do a patch test first, or when I really notice that both products or what I'm about to put on my face, they are too strong, I don't do it at all. Yes, you can say, yeah, she still does DIY. Yes, I remember I did the toothpaste DIY last time, but this one I was very sure about it because I did a patch test first, and moreover, you have to add Vaseline or coconut oil which suits it. So I didn't have any effects from the last one I did. Yes, you can say I'm a risk taker. Yes, I take risk a lot about stuff like that, but I'm just trying to bring awareness concerning this particular DIY. It is not to badmouth any videos or anybody doing it, but you should know your skin before applying something. If possible, if you must do it, do a patch test. It is very important. DIYs on YouTube, especially these home remedies, they have destroyed a lot of people's skin. I won't lie about that. I've seen a lot of stories where people watch YouTube, after watching it, they go to do it and they end up spoiling their skin. So you have to be careful, you have to do your research, and don't believe everything you see on YouTube. But who am I to judge anyone? But I'm just here to tell you my experience concerning those two products. Apple cider vinegar mixed with baking soda. If you have very sensitive skin, do not try that at all. Apple cider vinegar, yes, it does work for weight loss because I have tried it and it worked for me, but I didn't like the effects. So what works for me might not work for you, or what works for someone else might not work for me. So that is life. But especially anything that concerns the health, your skin, you have to do research or do a patch test just to be sure before applying. Because yes, many of these DIYs on YouTube, some of them, they really work. Yes, I've done the ones that worked for me, but there are some that don't work. Instead, they will damage your skin. And that was the experience I had 1 month into my YouTube journey. I was a newbie. I didn't do research. I didn't know what to do. I just wanted to get glowing skin or glowing face, like they said, or remove pimples. That was why I applied those two things, which was very bad for me. So guys, that is all I have for this video. Thanks for staying with me, and I will see you all in my next video. And please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.